Okay, so good morning everyone. So for today guys, ituloy lang natin ating discussion dito sa ating integral calculus. So the last time, diniscuss natin yung about sa ating integration, okay, using power rule at saka integration ng ating mga lumalabas which is yung ating mga natural logarithm. Okay, for today, pag-usapan naman natin guys yung ating tinatawag na integration of our exponential function. When we say exponential function guys, ito yung ating mga expression, okay, na kung saan meron kayong makikitang e. Okay, so sabi natin guys, in integrating our exponential function, if meron tayo ditong integral of e raised to u du, it is equal to e raised to u plus c. So parang wala lang nangyari, tama ba? Take note guys, ulitin ko, our formula para sa ating integration of exponential function, okay, we have your integral of e raised to u du, it is equal to e raised to u plus c. Okay? Such that guys, take note that this u, okay, yung ating du is the differential of our u. Okay? So ibig sabihin guys, dapat masatisfy pa rin natin na itong ating du dito is the differential of our u. Take note, yung u natin dito sa ating exponential function is the exponent of our e. Okay? So para mas maintindihan natin, okay, try natin guys magkaroon ng sample problem natin regarding integration of our exponential function. Okay? So for our first sample problem, we have here integral of e raised to 3x minus 1 dx. Okay, ulitin ko, we have here e or integral of e raised to 3x minus 1 dx. So kapag meron kayong exponential function guys, huwag kayong matakot. Sundan nyo lang guys ang ating formula. Take note guys, sabi natin, our formula for integration ng ating exponential function, wait lang, nawawala yung aking pen. Okay. Good. Sabi natin, we have yung e raised to u du, it is equal to e raised to u plus c. Ganyan lang naman kasimple guys yung ating integration. So ano bang gagawin natin? So dito sa ating exponent, meron tayo ditong 3x minus 1. Take note guys, mag-a-apply pa rin dito yung ating let u and du natin. Sabi natin guys, yung u natin dito is yung exponent ng ating e. So meron tayo ditong u equal to 3x minus 1. Question, what is the differential of 3x minus 1? Anyone?
3x
Okay,
dx.
okay, thank you. Very good. It is equal to 3x dx, or 3 dx, okay? So du natin is equal to 3 dx. Take note guys, the differential of 3x is 3 dx. The differential of negative 1 is equal to 0. So we have here guys, our differential of our u is equal to 3 dx. Okay? Okay, by inspection guys, meron tayo ditong u natin na 3x minus 1. Itong dx natin guys, dx lang siya. Pero dito sa du natin, na palabas natin, it is equal to 3dx. Okay, since 3dx ito, okay, gusto nating tanggalin guys yung ating 3 dito. So anong gagawin natin guys para matanggal natin dito yung ating 3 natin? Anyone? So para matanggal yung 3 natin dito, anong gagawin po natin?
Divided by 3, sir.
Divided by 3, sir.
Okay, very good guys. So we will divide both sides by 3. So dividing both sides by 3, mapapalabas natin du over 3 is equal to dx. And after that, punta na tayo sa substitution natin. Tama ba? Okay, so mag-substitute na tayo dito ng value nitong mga nandito. So sabi natin, e, okay, saan equal si 3x minus 1? It is equal to u. Saan equal si dx? It is equal to du over 3. Okay, so meron tayo dito guys, integral of e raised to u du over 3. And sabi natin, itong over 3 natin or itong 1/3 natin, pwede nating ilabas yan. So meron tayo ditong integral of e raised to u du. Guys, saan equal yung e raised to u du natin? Integral of e raised to u du natin? It is equal to Saan equal yung ating e raised to u du?
E raised to U plus C.
Okay, very good. It is equal to e raised to u plus c. So, ibig sabihin, naging answer natin dito will be 1/3, okay, e raised to u. Okay, labas natin yung ano. So, meron itong plus c. Okay, pero sabi natin, saan ba equivalent yung u natin? Our u is equivalent to
3x minus 1.
okay, very good. It is equal to 3x minus 1. So therefore, our final answer will be 1/3 e raised to 3x minus 1 plus c. Okay? Guys, nagigets po ba? Nasusundan? Okay, thank you. So, guys, tandaan nyo guys sa integral calculus, madali lang to. As long as you know how to differentiate, masasagutan natin guys ating integration. Ang pinaka-key naman na concept dito guys is you know how to find the differential power function. Because kapag hindi mo alam to gawin, itong u is equal to ganito, tapos i-differentiate mo siya, or hanapin mo yung differential niya, kapag hindi mo alam gawin to, mahihirapan ka sa magiging final answer mo. I know, all of you, alam nyo na guys yung ating formula na integration, pero kung paano nyo nga ba gamitin yung ating formula, doon tayo magkakatalo. Okay? So guys, dapat alam natin kung paano mag-differentiate, alam natin hanapin yung differential ng ating function. Take note this ha, differential yung hinahanap natin, hindi derivative. Okay? Kapag differential yung sinasabi natin, may katabi siyang dx. Sundan? Okay. Try ko lang muna maglagay dito. What if meron ako ditong e raised to, let's say, 2. Okay. Focus tayo guys dito para hindi tayo mahirapan. Okay? So focus lang tayo guys kasi syempre, 'di ba? Gusto natin matapos ng lahat ng masaya, 'di ba? Kapag ganun, focus lang. Ang pinaka-importante guys sa engineering guys ay focus. Okay? Dapat focus tayo sa ginagawa natin. So, integral of e raised to 2 minus 4x dx. Okay. Same process, di ba? So, let u is equal to saan? Yung ating exponent. Our exponent is 2 minus 4x. Guys, what is the differential of this 2 minus 4x?
Negative 4 dx.
Very good. It is equal to negative 4 dx. Nasundan? Okay. In our problem, guys, we only have here dx. We don't have this negative 4. Okay, in order for us, guys, to eliminate this negative 4, we will divide both sides by negative 4. So, dividing both sides by negative 4, okay, we will arrive dito sa ating negative of our du over 4 is equal to dx, right? So, negative du over 4 equal to dx. Okay. So, dito guys, i-substitute na natin. So, meron itong integral of e raised to u. Okay, the dx is equivalent to saan? Negative du over 4. It is equivalent to negative du over 4. And sabi natin guys, pwede natin ilabas si negative 1/4. So, negative 1/4 integral of e raised to u. This is u. This is not 4. U2 guys, no? Medyo ano lang yung U ko. Multiplied by du. Okay, and syempre, di ba? So, meron itong negative 1/4 e raised to u plus c equal to negative 1/4. Okay, e raised to 2 minus 4x plus c. So, this will be our final answer. Okay? If ever man guys, no, there will be times na magiging sanay ka na sa integration. Okay, pwede mo nang hindi na to gawin. For example, kapag na-visualize mo na negative 1/4 yung ating neutralizing factor o yung ilalabas mo, okay, pwede mo nang hindi gawin tong u is equal to du or u is equal to this value. Tama ba? Pero kapag hindi ka pa sanay, gawin mo to. Pero kapag medyo sanay ka na sa integration, pwede ka naman nang dumirekta kaagad dito. Actually, pag ako titingin dito, alam ko na kaagad na ito na yung integration niya. Okay? Okay? May mga times talaga na medyo nasasanay na tayo sa integration. So, ang pinakakilang naman talaga dito guys is mag-practice lang kayo ng mga problems or mag-solve kayo ng maraming problem regarding integration. Okay? If ever man, bili kayo ng mga book sa integral calculus or differential integral calculus, kung alam niyo yung book ni Love and Rainbell, di ba? Okay, pwede niyo bilhin yun and then mag-ano kayo, di ba? Mag-practice kayo. Okay, mag-practice lang kayo dito sa integration. Mabubuhay na kayo. Tama ba? Okay, practice lang naman ang kailangan natin. Nakikita ko naman guys na kaya nyo namang mag-solve. Okay, yun nga lang, minsan nagkakamali kayo guys sa mismong quiz natin. Okay? Sige. So meron tayo dito guys, integral of e raised to 4x multiplied by e raised to 5x minus 3e raised to 7x dx. Okay. If may ganito kayong problem guys, huwag kayong matakot. Ang gagawin nyo lang, we will just distribute this e raised to 4x inside our parentheses. Okay? Nasusunod ba? And hoping na sana, naalala nyo pa guys kung paano mag-multiply ng mga function or ng mga terms, okay, kung saan may exponent with similar base. Okay? So dito guys, balikan lang natin, no? Kapag meron ka dito x raised to n multiplied by x raised to m, di ba? Kapag may nag-multiply mo to with the same base, sabi natin this will become x raised to n plus m. So, ibig sabihin guys, ganito yung gagawin natin. Okay? Kapag mag-multiply tayo dito, so e raised to 4x multiplied by e raised to 5x, ilan po yung mapapalabas natin? E raised to ilan?
9x, sir.
Okay, very good. It is equal to e raised to 9x. We will add the exponent. Hindi natin pag-multiply exponent. So, 4x plus 5x, it is 3 e raised to negative 7x. So, negative 3 e raised to saan? 4x, yung ating exponent ng ating nasa labas, nasa loob is negative 7x, exponent niya. So, ano yung maging exponent nitong e natin?
Negative 3x.
Okay, negative 3x. Use your calculator na lang if ever man you're not sure. So, meron tayo dito guys, integral of e raised to 9x minus 3 e raised to negative 3x dx. And hoping na sana clear sa atin yun. Okay guys, I repeat. Okay, when integrating guys, exponential function, okay, take note guys, okay? Kapag same sila ng base, yung ating exponent, mag-a-add po iyan. Hindi po yan mag-multiply, mag-a-add po sila. Okay? Okay, syempre, tapos na to, di ba? Kaya-kaya natin to i-integrate. Tama po? Okay. Dito guys, pwede ka dito mag-let u, pwede ka dito hindi mag-let u. Okay? Pero dito guys, alam mo naman, di ba? Okay, what is the integral of e raised to 9x? Okay, kapag hindi ka pa sanay sa hindi mag-let u tayo. Okay, dito sa unang term, ang u natin dito ay 9x. Ano ang differential ng 9x?
9dx, sir. Ay,
Okay, 9 dx. Very good. Dx lang to. This is 9 dx. Ibig sabihin, magiging ano to? Magiging du over 9 is equal to dx. So, ibig sabihin, dapat alam mo na meron kang 1 over 9. Tama ba? Okay? Pero ibig sabihin, okay, pwede mo naman tong di ba? Imaginein. May 9x ka dito, kapag dinifferentiate mo to, lalabas is 9dx. Ito ay dx lang. So, ibig sabihin, may 1 over 9 ka dito. Tama ba? Okay, so dapat alam natin yon. Okay, dito. May u tayo dito na negative 3x. What is the differential of this negative 3x?
Negative 3 dx.
Negative 3 dx. So, ibig sabihin, alam mo guys na magkakaroon ka dito ng negative du over 3 equal to dx. So, ibig sabihin may negative 1/3 ka dito. Okay? So, ipakita ko na lang. So, meron ka ditong 1 over 9 e raised to 9x minus 3 multiplied by negative 1/3 e raised to negative 3x plus c. Nasusundan ba? Okay, so dito medyo inano ko na kaagad, no? Basta tandaan nyo lang palagi guys, exponential function, okay, as long as nakita mo na kapag ang dinifferentiate mo to, mapapalabas mo ay sosobra siya dito, i-divide mo na lang siya. For example, dito, okay, nakita mo na sobra siya ng 9. So, magiging 1 over 9 ito. Ito, nakita mo guys na sobra siya ng negative 1, negative 3. So, may ka ditong negative 1/3 dito. Okay? Or kung kapag hindi ka sanay doon, pwede mo naman tong gawin, guys. Okay? So, kapag ginawa mo yan, ipakita ko na lang, no, kapag nag-substitute tayo, meron ka ditong integral of, dito, meron ka ditong e raised to 9x dx minus integral of, okay, 3 e raised to negative 3x dx. Okay, so kapag ganyan, pwede mong gawin yun. Magiging integral of e raised to u times du over 9 minus integral of 3 e raised to u times negative 1/3 or du over 3. Okay? So makikita mo, ganito lang din yung lalabas sa atin. Okay, pero kapag nabivisualize mo naman, pwede naman na tayo mag-proceed kaagad dito without doing this and this. Okay? Sige. I-simplify natin to. I-simplify natin to guys. Irisin ko to. So dito, syempre alam mo na guys na 1 over 9 na to. E raised to 9x. Ito naman, negative 3 multiplied by negative 1/3. Ano mapapalabas mo? Negative 3 multiplied by negative 1/3? Positive?
Positive 1, sir.
Okay, very good. Positive 1. So, may itong plus. Okay, 1. Okay, di mo natin yung 1. E raised to negative 3x plus c. Tama ba? Ito yung mapapalabas natin. So, meron tayo dito guys. Ilagay ko na lang dito sa gilid, no? 1 over 9 e raised to 9x plus e raised to negative 3x plus c. So, this will be our integral here. Okay, pero, di ba? Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, ang gagawin natin dito is to simplify this further. But for me, okay na to siguro sa akin, i-check ko na to. Pero if ever man we want to simplify this further, pwede mo namang gawin guys. Okay, hanapin mo LCD mo. LCD mo dito ay 9. 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. 1 times e raised to 9x is equal to e raised to 9x. Okay, 9 divided by 1 is equal to 9. 9 times e raised to negative 3x is equal to 9 e raised to negative 3x plus c. Okay, so pwede mo guys dito, maging final answer mo will be itong ating simplified answer. But for me, okay, sa case natin, it is okay naman na for me if this is your final answer. Or kapag gusto mo pa mag-factor out, okay lang din sa akin, walang problema. But for me, okay na sa akin guys na makita ko tong answer na ito. Okay? Kasi ang mini-measure ko lang naman sa inyo is kung alam nyo ba mag-integrate. Okay? But it's best naman guys kapag sinimplify nyo pa further yung ating integration. Okay, pwede rin naman guys dito, yung kung gusto nyo ibaba yung negative 3x, walang problema. Tapos isimplify nyo pa further, tama din naman yung answer na yun. Okay, pero I will consider this answer. I will correct this answer. Okay? Okay, so far, any question? Okay, wala? Okay, wala pa naman so far. Okay. What if kapag mayroon tayong ganitong klaseng problem? So, integral of e raised to ln of 4x cubed minus 3x squared, plus 2x minus 19 dx. So, kapag ganito yung problem natin, guys, balikan nyo lang, guys, yung principle, okay, yung relationship ng ating exponential function e and then yung ating natural logarithm. Okay, di ba sabi natin, kapag meron ka ditong e raised to ln of u, let's say, it is equal to u. Kasi sabi natin, ito, magka-cancel out. Tama ba? Kung ano yung nasa loob ng ating ln, okay, yun po yung lalabas dito. Nasusundan? Ito yung ating principle or relationship nitong dalawang value na to. Similarly, ganun din kapag ganito. Kapag may ln of e raised to u ka, it is equal to u. Nasusundan? So please, take note of that. Okay? So tandaan niyo palagi, kung ano yung nasa loob ng ating natural logarithm, tapos ito ay naka-raise dito sa e, lalabas yan. Okay? Ito yung magiging equivalent niya. Ganon din dito. Kung ano yung exponent ng e natin, kapag nasa loob siya ng ating ln natin, ito po yung kalalabasan niya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin guys, kapag sinimplify natin to, saan equivalent ito?
Sa user.
Okay, sa 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 19. So, meron tayo ditong, okay, integral of 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 19 dx. Okay, so kaya natin itong i-integrate, tama ba? Okay, ano guys ang integral nitong ating 4x cubed? Anong integral ng 4x cubed?
X raised to 4, sir.
Very good, x raised to 4. Okay, ipakita ko na lang no, kung bakit naging x raised to 4 yan para baka yung iba hindi nila visualize. 4 x raised to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Kaya naging x raised to 4, sabi ni Charles. Okay, dito naman. Dito. How about dito? Saan equivalent itong ating 3x squared natin?
3x cubed over 3, sir.
Okay, 3x cubed over 3. Or kapag isimplify mo yan, x cubed. Okay, so ko na lang dito. 3x cubed over 3 para makita ng iba. How about dito sa ating 2x natin? What is the integral of this 2x?
2x squared over.
Okay, 2x squared over 2. How about this 19? Anong integral ng 19?
Negative 19x, sir.
Okay, negative 19x. Very good. So, plus c, di ba? So, meron tayo dito. Okay, 4x raised to 4 over 4 minus 3x cubed over 3 plus 2x squared over 2 minus 19x plus c. Simplifying this will be our answer na natin dito. X raised to 4 minus x cubed plus x squared minus 19x plus c. Okay, guys, okay lang naman guys kapag nag-integrate kayo, ito na kaagad guys yung ating palalabasin. Okay, yung kung na-visualize nyo na magka-cancel to, okay lang naman guys na mag-proceed na kayo kaagad dito. Okay? Pero, dito, meron ba tayo dito ang pwedeng i-factor out? Anong pwede mong i-factor out dito?
Ang x, sir.
Ang x, very good. So, meron tayo dito, ano magiging final answer natin?
X times x cubed minus x squared plus x minus 19, sir, plus c.
Okay, very good. So, this will be our answer. Okay, so meron tayo dito, okay, pwede yung x mo, pwedeng nasa harapan, pwedeng nasa likod. Walang problema dyan. Same lang naman sila ng answer. So, we have here the quantity x cubed minus x squared plus x minus 19 multiplied by x plus c. So, this will be our final answer. Very good. Okay? Sige nga, guys. Kayo nga. Try nga natin, guys. Kayo. Okay. Kuha kayo, guys, ng sheet of paper. This will serve as your attendance for today. Okay? Please answer this problem. Okay? Pakisagutan to. Maybe siguro kaya natin tong sagutan ng 5 minutes. Okay, so meron tayo dito the integral of the quantity 3 e raised to 3x plus e raised to x raised to 2 dx. Okay? Please answer this. Magpo-post ako sa ating Google Classroom and then paki-post na lang doon yung ating answer. Okay? This will serve as your attendance for today. If you have any question, guys, feel free lang to ask question. I have no problem if ever man kapag nag-ask kayo ng question. Guys, kapag may mga problems kayong hindi naiintindihan, please let me know and I want to help you guys para hindi na tayo para matulungan ko kayo, di ba? Cheat word number 1 ba to? Okay, I guess cheat word number 1. Okay. Okay, so if you have any other question,
Present si Philip Andre Jalo, sir.
ha? Ano yan?
Present si Philip Andre Jalo. Di siya kasulod sa sir.
Ay, kasama mo siya? Kasama mo siya?
Thank you, sir.
Oh, sige, sige. Magkatabi kayo? Anong pangalan niya? I-type mo na lang sa chat box natin para makita ko. Philip, ba? Si Philip. Okay, so if you have your answer na, please type na lang sa chat box natin. And then let's check if ever man kung tama ba yung answer natin, guys. Okay? lagay ako ng time dito para excuse me. If you have your answer na, please type na lang para ma-verify natin. Okay, may nag-share. Ano yung shinare mo? Baka mamaya ay ibang ma-share mo dyan, ha? Ingat ka, baka ibang ma-share mo. Nawala tuloy yung shinare ko. Wait lang, ha? Okay, anyone? May answer na kayo? Do you have your answers na? Okay. Okay, so we have here 1 over 5 e raised to 5x plus 1 over 3 e raised to 3x plus c. Okay, let's check. If that's the answer. Okay? Okay, so let's try checking your answers. If your answers are correct, try natin i-check. Okay, so we have here, guys, the integral of the quantity e raised to 3x plus e raised to x squared dx. So what will be our answer here? Okay, so in this type of problem, guys, the first thing we need to do is to simplify this function. Okay, so dito guys, meron tayo dito naka-parenthesis and then naka-square siya. So what are we going to do here? Okay, syempre guys, the first thing we need to do is to expand this expression. By expanding this, you may use the FOIL method or the binomial expansion. Okay, so using FOIL method guys, pwede mong gawin to. Since naka-square yan, pwede mo tong i-multiply by itself, okay, na isang beses. So we have e raised to 3x plus e raised to x, okay, multiplied by e raised to 3x plus e raised to x. You may use this FOIL method. Okay, when expanding this, okay, kapag naka-raised to 2 lang siya. So dito guys, gawin natin, e raised to 3x multiplied by e raised to 3x, ilan to? E raised to, guys, anyone?
9x squared.
Okay. E raised to 3x multiplied by e raised to 3x. It is equal
6x.
to 6x. Okay. Mag-a-add guys yung ating exponent. So you have here, it is equal to 6x. Guys ha, ingat tayo doon. Next, e raised to 3x multiplied by e raised to x.
4x.
E raised, Okay, a raised to 4x. Next, e raised to x multiplied by e raised to 3x.
2x.
E raised to x multiplied by e raised to 3x. E raised to
2x, sir.
4x, di ba?
For X.
4x, di ba?
4x.
X plus 3x, okay? E raised to x multiplied by e raised to x.
2x, sir.
E raised to 2x. Okay? So yan, isimplify natin yan. Combining like terms, we have here e raised to 6x plus e raised to 4x plus e raised to 4x. It is equal to what? 2 e raised to 4x. Okay? Plus e raised to 2x. Okay? So ito yung mapapalabas natin, right? Tama ba? Guys, review your FOIL method or review your binomial expansion. Okay, pwede mo guys mag-binomial expansion ka dito. Okay, what is e raised to 3x squared is equal to e raised to 6x. Tapos 2 times e raised to 3x times e raised to x is equal to 2e raised to 4x. Diba? Tapos square mo to, ito yung mapapalabas natin. Okay, marami tayong ways in expanding our binomial. Tama ba? Okay, kung maalala nyo guys, ito yon a squared plus b squared or sabihin natin ax squared, parang gano'n, di ba? Yung mga ginagawa natin, ipakita ko lang. Yung algebra natin, a plus b squared, it is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, di ba? Kung maalala nyo guys yung ating binomial expansion. Tama ba? Okay, ito lang din yun. Okay po? Alalahanin nyo guys yung Math 152 nyo, yung sa part ng algebra, doon sa part ng ating expansion or doon sa ating mga binomial expansion natin. Okay? If ever man guys, pwede nyong i-visit yung aking YouTube channel na sinend ko sa ating Google Classroom. Meron ako doong video about expansion. Pwede nyong i-check para ma-review nyo. Okay? Nasusundan? Okay na sana nasusundan natin guys ha. Okay, dito guys, gumamit tayo dito ng algebra kung paano mag-expand. Pwede ka mag-binomial expansion, pwede ka dito mag-FOIL method. Okay, any method, wala akong problema dyan as long as ma-expand nyo ng tama yung ating mga terms natin. Okay? Nasusundan, paki-type, paki-thumbs up kapag nasusundan natin. Okay. If ever man na you need tutorial about this, pwede nyo kong puntahan dito guys sa aking office. Turuan ko kayo kung paano ba mag-solve. Okay? Free na, hindi naman ako madamot sa time. Kapag hindi ako busy, tuturuan ko naman kayo. Kapag may hindi kayo maintindihan, magtanong lang kayo. Huwag kayong mahihiyang magtanong. Okay? So, integrate natin to. Integral ng e raised to 6x is equal to 1 over 6 e raised to 6x. Integral ng ating 2 e raised to 4x is equal to 2 divided by 4 e raised to 4x. Tama ba? Integral naman ng ating e raised to 2x is equal to 1 over 2 e raised to 2x. Okay? Ipakita ko lang guys yung medyo long method para masundan natin. Kasi medyo nag-shortcut na ako dito. Okay? Ang ginawa natin dyan, dinistribute mo lang yung ating integral dx. So, may dito e raised to 6x dx plus integral of 2 e raised to 4x dx plus integral of e raised to 2x dx. Okay? Yung u mo dito ay 6x. Yung u mo dito ay 4x. Yung u mo naman dito ay 2x. Yung du mo dito ay 6dx. Yung du mo dito ay 4dx. Yung du mo naman dito ay 2dx. So meron ka ditong du over 6 is equal to dx. Dito naman ay du over 4 is equal to dx. Dito naman ay du over 2 is equal to dx. Eh di ba? Most probably ito yung magiging fraction mo sa labas, di ba? So magiging ano to? Okay? 1 over 6 integral of e raised to u dx, or du, sorry, du, okay, plus, di ba, 2 over 4 integral of e raised to u du, plus 1 over 2 integral of e raised to u du. Okay, meron ka ditong 1 over 6 e raised to u plus 1 over 2 e raised to u plus 1 over 2 e raised to u plus c. Take note guys, yung u mo dito sa una ay 6x. Di ba? Ang u mo dito sa pangalawa ay 4x. Ang u mo dito sa pangatlo ay 2x. Okay? Pero guys, no, ito medyo mahaba na kasi yung ginawa natin. Pero kapag nabivisualize mo naman, okay, pwede mo na guys i-directa ng ganito. Kasi alam mo naman na sobra ka dito ng 6, mag 1 over 6 ka dito. Alam mo naman guys na sobra ka dito ng 4, mag 1 over 4 ka dito. Alam mo naman guys na sobra ka ng 2, mag 1 over 2 ka dito. Okay? So pwede mo lang i-directa. Okay? Pero kapag hindi ka sanay sa direktang integration, pwede mong gawin guys itong ginawa natin. Itong mga to. Medyo mahaba nga lang. Di ba? Okay guys, paki-thumbs up kung nasusunod natin. Tapos thumbs down kapag hindi. Yung seryosong tanong guys ha. Okay, Kishwar. Nasusunod ba Kishwar? Nandiyan ka ba Kishwar?
Yes, sir.
Nasusunod mo? Yung totoo.
Yes, sir.
Parang
Yes,
ang lungkot-
sir. Nagsala lang sa kanina.
Parang ang lungkot mo. Ikaw, Karen. Okay ka lang dyan, Karen? Nandiyan ka ba, Karen? Baka natutulog ka pa.
Yes, sir.
Gising ka? O, gising ka. Okay, magtanong ako dito. Ang hindi sasagot. Absent, ha? Kung hindi siya sumagot. Romnick, nandiyan ka ba, Romnick? Absent ata si Romnick. Tulog ata, no? Okay, tulog daw si Romnick. Tulog. Ikaw, Sweatlis. Sweatlis ba? Basa dito? Gail. Si Gail na lang. Gail. Gising ka ba dyan, Gail? Nandiyan ka ba? Dito daw siya. Nag-thumbs up siya. Ikaw, Andrea. Nandiyan ka ba, Andrea? Buhay ka pa ba? Buhay pa ba? Buhay pa daw siya. Sige. Ikaw, Semery. Buhay ka ba, Semery? Nasa biyahe ka. Sige. Okay. Erasing ko muna to guys ha. Erasing ko muna to ha. Okay lang ba? Erasing ko? Na-screenshot nyo na? Erasing ko na to. Okay. Erasing ko na. Okay. So, but, try natin i-simplify. Okay. Simplifying this guys, we all know that our LCD will be 6. So, 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. 1 times e raised to 6 is equal to e raised to 6. Okay? Next naman, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 3 times e raised to 4x is equal to 3 e raised to 4x. Okay, 6 multiplied by or divided by 2 is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by e raised to 2x is equal to 3 e raised to 2x. Okay, and after that, i-factor out natin yung ating common factor. Ano bang common factor natin guys sa atin dito sa numerator? E raised to, yung may pinakamababang exponent, which is e raised to 2x. So kapag nilabas mo, yung e raised to 2x natin, ito yung mapapalabas natin. E raised to 2x multiplied by e raised to 4x plus 3 e raised to 2x plus 3 all over 6. Okay, plus c. So this will be our answer guys sa ating problem na to. Okay? Hindi naman siya ganun guys kahabang solution. As long as you know how to expand your function, pwede. Okay? Okay. Sige. Ito. Next na sample problem. Medyo madali lang to. Okay. Meron ka ditong e raised to 2x all over 1 plus e raised to 2x plus dx. Okay. If you have this type of problem, kapag meron kang kaagad na fraction or rational expression, yung may mga fraction na na function, ibig sabihin rational function siya, anong gagawin natin? Okay? Una mong gawin, check mo kapag nag-let you ka dito, meron kang mapapalabas. Pero dito kasi, as we can see, itong denominator mo, naka-raised to 1 yan. So kapag tinaas mo ito, magiging integral of 1 plus e raised to 2x raised to negative 1, right? And then, e raised to 2x dx. Tama ba? So kapag inayos mo yan, ganyan yung lalabas. Tama po? Okay, i-check natin. Di ba sabi natin, kapag meron tayo ditong naka-raise to negative 1, pupunta tayo sa ln natin na integration. Tama ba? So, i-let you natin guys yung nasa loob ng ating raise to negative 1. Let 1 plus e raised to 2x equal to u. Guys, question. What is the differential of 1 plus e raised to 2x? Naalala nyo ba? Yung differential ng ating e raised to something. Di ba sabi natin, kapag meron ka ditong derivative ng e raised to u, it is equal to e raised to u du over dx. Tama ba? Ito yung ating derivative, guys, ng ating e raised to u. It is equal to e raised to u du over dx. Okay. Guys, what is the differential of 1 plus e raised to u, e raised to 2x? Hoping na sana naalala nyo. It is equal to 2 e raised to 2x dx. Tama ba? Kasi, gamitin natin tong formula na to. E raised to u, du over dx. Kasi, kapag dinifferentiate mo si 1 plus e raised to 2x, yung u mo dito ay 2x. Ang magiging du mo dito guys, or du over dx mo dito guys ay 2. Tama ba? So, ibig sabihin, ang magiging derivative nito will be, y prime mo will be equal to 0 plus e raised to 2x times 2. Because yung du over dx mo dito ay 2. Tama ba? So, kapag inayos mo yan, y prime mo will be 2 e raised to 2x. Tama ba? Okay? So, hoping na sana, hindi nyo nakalimutan mag-differentiate ng mga exponential function natin. Because, we will be using those, okay, sa ating integration. Okay? Dito guys, okay, ilisin ko lang to. Arranging this, di ba? Kapag in-arrange natin to, dito, ganito, di ba? Kung mapapansin natin, ito guys, ay e raised to 2x dx. Ito guys ay 2 e raised to 2x dx. Sobra tayo ng 2. So anong gagawin natin guys para mawala yung 2 natin dito? Paulit-ulit lang naman ginagawa natin eh.
Divided by 2, sir.
Okay guys, very good. Divide both sides by 2. Meron tayo ditong du over 2. Okay. E raised to 2x dx. Okay? So kapag magsasubstitute tayo dito, yung 1 plus e raised to 2x natin, it is equal to u. So, integral of u raised to negative 1. Itong ating e raised to 2x dx natin is equal to du over 2. So, meron dito, 1 over 2, integral of u raised to negative 1 du. Okay? Or, ito yung itsura niya. Di ba? Kapag inayos ko to magiging 1 over 2, integral of du over u. Guys, ano nang integral nitong dalawang to? Yung raised to negative 1 du? Anong integral niyan? Ano po?
Lone use.
Very good.
Lone
Lone u. Very good. So,
Lone
1 over 2. Okay, very good. So, ln of u plus c. Di ba? So, meron itong 1/2 ln of u plus c. Pero, ibalik natin guys yung equivalent value ng ating u. Sabi natin, our u is equal to 1 plus e raised to 2x. Tama ba? Our u is equal to 1 plus e raised to 2x. So, meron itong final answer natin will be 1/2 ln of 1 plus e raised to 2x plus c. So, this will be our final answer. Okay? Nasusundan? Clear ba? May klase kayo susunod, tama ba? May klase kayo susunod, no? Okay. May online class ba kayo sa susunod yung klase? Sa 10? Meron. Meron ba? May class kayo sa ano? Meron, no? Sige. Okay. Guys, i-end ko na lang muna yung discussion natin dito sa problem na to. Okay? But guys, I want you to review on the differential or the derivative of e raised to u. Gusto kong i-review nyo guys itong e raised to u natin, yung derivatives niya, para hindi na tayo mahirapan dito sa ating integration. Meron na akong video sa YouTube natin na sinend ko sa ating Google Classroom. Pwede nyo i-click yon and then i-review nyo guys yung mga video. Okay? So, nagbigay na ako sa inyo reference. I want you to review on this differentiation because we will be using this dito sa integration natin. Okay? May question? Okay, wala tayong question. Okay, paki-thumbs up nga kung nasusundan natin yung lesson natin. Okay, nasusundan. Okay. Sige. Sa susundan naman, okay, thank you guys. And God bless you all. Okay, see you na lang guys next week for the continuation of our discussion. Okay, I'll post this recorded lecture later kapag na-process na. Okay, thank you and God bless you all. See you na lang guys next week. Thank you guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Ingat kayo.
Sir.
Take care,
Thank
sir.
you po, sir. Bye
Thank
po.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you guys. I will end the recording na.
So, pwede ko siya taas.
Ano yung lecture?
Ano name mo, sir? Gina-post mo, sir, sa ano mo? Yung YouTube mo, ang name mo recording mo, sir.
Nandun sa Google Classroom natin. I-send ko na lang sa group chat, no? I-send ko sa group chat para man. Okay?
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, gagawa din ako ng channel sa Calculus 2 para mapuntahan nyo. Okay. Thank you guys. Ingat kayo. God bless you all guys. See you next meeting.